Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to turn on as well as turn off the timer in Snapchat. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, make sure to put your likes under the video, write your comments after watching it, and let's get started. So friends, when you open the Snapchat app, you're served to this is the main page like this. This is the camera, the Snapchat app. And in order to add a timer to it, you have to click on the plus sign at the top right of this menu. Scroll down and click on the timer to add it. And as you can see, the timer appears. You can see it. There's a sign like this with a stopwatch on it. And if, let's say, you click on the camera, you can easily see the time countdown start, and 3 seconds later you have a finished photo. Also friends, you can also set a video timer in Snapchat. For this, you will have to click on the timer icon, and here you can choose a video timer from 1 second to 2 minutes. In order to adjust it somehow, you just need to click on this yellow stick here and adjust the time as much as you want to set the timer. After that, click here. To turn the timer off, you can either click on the timer sign itself to turn it off, or you can click on the plus sign, scroll down, find the timer section, and if it's glowing yellow, then click on it, and then the timer will be turned off. This is how, friends, you will be able to turn on and off the timer in Snapchat app. I hope this video has helped you and was useful to you, friends. Please put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.